Buongiorno, buenos dias, good morning. Welcome to the MEC 3 School of Gelato. We're going to be making some simple recipes today, so come inside and join me. How you doing, guys? So right now we're going to be making a chocolate vegan sorbet using the MEC 3 Extra Dark. It's a very great product, very easy to use. So all we're going to need is one bag of Extra Dark, 2.5 liters of hot water, helps it melt better. There's actually chocolate chips inside, and our blender. That's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our bag. Little key tip that I learned to open the bag from the corner. And it gives you a nice little pouring spout too. So we're going to dump our mix in. The entire bag. Have chocolate powder flying everywhere, but it's okay. Get every little bit out. And now we're going to mix.